The wing stress tests look complete.
Let's update the assembly workflow.
Station 4 is proceeding within normal parameters.
Precision is non-negotiable in aerospace. Automated systems drill hundreds of holes. Every diameter is perfect.
All segments aligned. Commencing automated fastening sequence. Alignment looks perfect on Spar 4.
Copy that, initiating the fast lock. Precision defines every step of aerospace assembly. Here, human expertise meets advanced robotics, pulsing through the...
Welcome to the cutting edge of aerospace manufacturing. Here, precision and human expertise work hand in hand. Every rip
Precision is non-negotiable. Every micron counts. Precision is paramount. Automated systems guide the massive wings. Lasers ensure a perfect fit.
Alignment looks good.
Precision is paramount. Robotic systems guide the engine. Automated tools secure every joint. Meeting Precision is non-negotiable. Technicians install fuel lines. Automated systems verify. Every precise alignment ensures a flawless seal. This efficiency defines modern assembly. Technicians install modular overhead systems. Precision tools ensure perfect alignment. Inside the chamber, Temperature-controlled airflow ensures an even cure. Technicians. Inside this pristine chamber, precision is automated. Robotic arms. Every square centimeter is meticulously scanned. Advanced robotics verify the coating's integrity.
Actuator responding normally.
Activating primary power distribution. All systems are now online and stable.
Pressure is holding steady at 45 psi. Vibration levels are looking normal, increasing core temperature to stable. All parameters holding steady.
On the apron, the team prepares. They check every critical system. Precision is safety.
Telemetry looks good, speed at 140.
This is a historic moment. All ground crews, clear the area.
Yellow 1, you are cleared for takeoff. Rotating. Copy that, looking good.